Hi everyone, this is Miss Pinto. I'm going to quickly show you how to log into Microsoft 365 with your Yonkers account, how to access Microsoft Teams, and how to join the Zoom meeting for your Minecraft and engineering class. First, you're going to start off by opening up a web browser. So a web browser can be Google Chrome, um, Mozilla Firefox, Safari. Okay, so you're going to open up, in this case, I'm going to use Chrome. At the top of your screen, you'll have something that's called an address bar up here. It'll be just like a long blank area where you can type. So you're going to click in here. You're going to type in office.com. Then you're going to push enter on your keyboard. And that'll take you to the login screen for Office 365. You're going to click the orange sign in button. You're going to log in with your school email address, okay? Your email address is your 6-digit ID number and then at yonkerspublicschools.org, okay? So since I'm a teacher, I don't use my ID number, I use my name. So I'm just going to do that. So what you would type in is where mine says N Pinto-Creazzo, you're going to type your 6-digit number here and then at yonkerspublicschools.org, okay? When you're finished, you're going to click next. Then you're going to put your password in. Now this password should be the password that you've been using for distance learning this whole time. If you don't remember it, you can email me or have one of your parents email me at this address with your ID number and I can have it reset for you. So if you're having any issues, please let us know. So once you put your password in, you're going to click the sign in button. Okay. If you're using your own computer, it's okay to say yes to this. If you're not using your own computer, you could click no. Okay, so this will just save your login information on your own computer. That way you don't have to keep entering it. So I'm going to click yes. Okay, and then this will pop up. These are all the applications that you have access to in Microsoft 365. Okay, so from this menu, you're going to click Teams. It's like a purple bluish icon here. You're going to click on that. If you get this message, you can get the Windows app. I would recommend just using the web app. That way you don't have to download anything. So that's this link right here where it says use the web app instead. So we're going to click on that. Okay, so you will see you may have more classes from distance learning than just the Minecraft class, but you will see this. It has an orange icon here. Looks like a little computer chip and it says engineering and Minecraft. Okay, you're going to click on that. And then you're going to see in here in the post section our Zoom meeting for Friday. So this is where you're going to go to start all of our class sessions. So we will be taking attendance starting at 8:45 a.m. Okay, so all you have to do to get into the Zoom is click the link here. And if you already have it downloaded, you're just going to click open Zoom meetings. If you do not have it already downloaded to your computer, it'll actually ask you to do that as well. So you'll just need to install that. So I will click open Zoom meetings and it will log me into the meeting. So this is actually scheduled for Friday, so it's not going to let me in yet, but it will on Friday at 8:45. Okay, and that's it. And I look forward to meeting all of you. I think we're going to have a lot of fun together. See you on Friday.